Welcome to 2311 Spencer Road in Silver Spring, Maryland. Located in the Rock Creek Forest subdivision, I'm going to take you on a tour of one of our new listings, a timeless built colonial located in the highly sought after Bethesda Chevy Chase School District. Here we are in the formal living area. Come on in and you can invite guests over to stay warm by the wood-burning fireplace. Hardwood flooring throughout, crown molding surrounding the ceiling, 8-foot ceiling. Let's take a look through the French doors and lead adjacent to the dining room. We are in the formal dining area, which is perfect for any event that you host throughout the year. We have custom built-ins, and just off of the dining room is our home office, which compares a study or a home library for all to enjoy. Coming in from the foyer is our great room. Wood-burning fireplace, over 8-foot ceilings, beautiful bay window in front. This is my favorite room in the entire house. Coming upstairs are 3 secondary bedrooms along with their own guest bathroom. Here in the primary bedroom, we have our own ensuite bath along with a sitting room attached. On the lower level, we have a guest bedroom with its own full bath. This room is large enough to function as a rec room, a children's playroom. You have an office/den just attached to the back, along with our laundry room and our mechanical closet. Here we are in the massive outdoor space where we back to woods for our own private oasis surrounded by green scenery. Let's take a look. It's so serene, it's so peaceful. We're in the heart of the city and all you hear is nature. It's gorgeous, luscious greenery just surrounding this entire home. Thank you for joining us on this tour. For more information, reach out to the Nellis Group today.